So again, good evening. So this is my HTML landing page. So this is the doc type HTML for HTML version 5, and then the head consists of title. Apple iPhone is the title, and then the viewport meta tag, which is this one. This tag helps ensure that responsive design works as expected on mobile devices. So this is the body, the header. It's load time. This is for the section which features gallery and testimonials, and then the zero, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the a product. This is a picture, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and with the width and height, and this is the description and a button, a order now button, and then this is the features section, which has three list, um, fast charging, A18 Pro performance, 48 MP Pro camera, and this is a font. I know, this is an icon. Gikan siya dire. Ano to? Font awesome. Ano siya is font style, which ang pangalan is Amarante. So this is the font style that I used in in all of my header, yeah, header H1, H2, and to this gallery section. Gallery section. So what's inside in the gallery section is different photos of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I put it in div parabox. So nara three, and then the testimonials, the quote, nice features, money well spent, and then the footer. So this is like a link to my YouTube channel, and this is just a icon, and so that's all, and this is my the CSS. Wait, this is the I used an external CSS. So in order to to have this CSS function, there is a HTML ako siyang link rel style sheet, then ahref style.css ang name sa file. So kani sila tanan kani uh they are on the same folder. So ano siya ang body. So again, font family Amarante akong gi-download. So kani siya, this one is like a fallback font style, font family. If the computer dili siya mo gana ang Amarante, or dili siya mo basta ano yung sans serif ang yang mo display. So yeah, and background image, which is this ano ba ni? Background, this one white lang, and ano to? So yeah, this color of the sa Instagram ni kaning A sa link, nakalimutan mo ko. So this is the style of my H1 H2. So text align center, and then ang yang space sa boss 20 pixel, the header, header H1, so the navigation, center. So navigation para sa ating kuan, kanina na, kanina. Kanina. Oh, and then, um, tignan siya ka ng style, if ato ang na ang sanab, mo cover, ganun mo kuan siya, ano lang ipagkita, be? Wait, sample share, saan to? Kanina. So, share, so this, to hover, istorya na to. Navigation, hover, kanay, kana, kana, and then this one. So this is the combined sa HTML and my CSS. It's glow time header. Na siyang pangalan. It's glow time. Tama ba? Palagi. Ang H1 ako, it's glow time. More siya ganang marketing tagline sa iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is the product, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Power going to unleash the feature. Tapos yan the description. And then the order now button. And these are the features of the phone: fast charging, E18 Pro performance, 48 megapixel Pro camera. So this is the gallery. This is the gallery. And the testimonials. Nice features. Money well spent. And when you click YouTube, the footer link YouTube. So gawa siya. Ano yung akong channel. Wala pa na ako siya na-upload. Hindi rin ako i-upload yung video. So, that's it. Thank you, ma'am.